What up, Chippers? LPlay's back, and today we've got a very special video. It's a video that I've dreamed of being able to make for a very, very long time. Way back before I even started doing YouTube, I always dreamed of having a super PC, the ultimate gaming setup, and then of course getting into YouTube, I just needed that even more because I have to do things like recording, while getting good frames, while also rendering and editing in the background and all that kind of stuff. It's been a long journey, but we're finally here, and I have got the super PC. It's all in, it's all set up, and I'm super excited to show you guys what I've got going on so far. It's still a bit of a work in progress, so there are some things that I'll probably tweak and change, but I am super excited about how it's turned out, and I've got to say, sitting in here just feels freaking awesome. Definitely my happy place, and it just makes me want to record and make more and more videos. And of course, now that I finally have a real, genuine gaming PC, I can play any PC game out there without having to worry about whether or not I'll be able to record it and put a video up on the channel that actually has more than 10 frames per second. So yeah, I'm excited about the possibilities for the channel, and I'm excited to show you guys the little setup that I've made here. So enjoy this, and of course I'll try and put links to all the stuff that I've got wherever I can in the description and the pinned comment below, so you guys can grab any of this if you're looking to as well. But yeah, hopefully you'll enjoy it. So starting off with peripherals, I've gone for all Razer everything. I just love the RGB lighting on these things, and the finish on Razer products just looks so freaking cool to me. We've got the Razer Ornata Chroma Mecha Membrane keyboard, the Death Adder Elite mouse, and the Razer Firefly gaming mat, of course, with the RGB lights on there. Everything set to match through the Razer Synapse software. Just looks freaking awesome to me. Onto the case that the PC is in, that's the Corsair Crystal Series 570X, and that's in mirrored black glass. Really nice finish. I had to take the side panel off there because it's quite reflective, so that's how I managed to get some footage of inside the actual machine, and it is beautiful with all those lights. Now under the hood, I've gone for a Core i9-9900, 8-core 3.6GHz CPU, an MSI Z370A Pro ATX motherboard, 32 gigs of DDR4 dual channel memory from Corsair, and of course the graphics card I've gone for is the MSI GeForce RTX2080Ti 11GB DX12 VR ready with ray tracing technology. And all of that is kept cool with the Corsair Hydro Series H150i Pro RGB liquid cooling system and a nice set of RGB fans in there to boot. I've gone for a dual monitor setup with the MSI Optix MPG27CQ. They're 27-inch curved displays, and they're both 144Hz. They're absolutely beautiful, and they've got the built-in GameSense reactive RGB lighting on the bottom there and on the back panels of the monitors. I've also got my Sony Bravia in the background there. That's the 55-inch display, and I just use that for watching stuff while I game and edit. And of course I've got my PS4 Pro and the Xbox One X setup in the background as well for whenever I want to do some console gaming. I normally run that on the monitors if I'm recording, or on the big screen if I'm just playing for myself. And the other cool thing is the desk that I'm using. It is freaking huge, and it's fully electronic height adjustable, so I can have it for standing, sitting, or any sort of height in between, which is really cool. Of course, when you spend a lot of time at the desk, it's good to get some movement in there. So yeah, that's one of the other things that I really love about my setup, and it has a lot of space. I've got my trusty Blue Yeti microphone, and the speakers you can see there are actually some fairly cheap ones that I picked up. I'm not sure what the brand is, but I got them as a gift quite a long time ago, but they work pretty well and they look nice, so they've ended up being part of the setup for now at least. So that's the setup. I'm super pleased with how it's turned out. I'm so excited to sit in here all the time now. I love everything I've got going on with it. The look, the feel, with the ambient lighting, the RGBs everywhere, LED strips on the background, the nice purple glow when I sit in here. There's something about that that's just so smooth and nice and fun to just be in when I'm recording and gaming, and I'm just just loving how it all turned out. Hopefully you guys liked having a little peek at that. If you've got any questions about it or suggestions, or you want to tell me anything about your setup, then make sure you let me know in the comments below, and I will catch you in another video where we'll be trying out the beast on some games very, very soon. Take care, guys, and peace. Just want to give a very big thank you to all of my Patreon supporters. It honestly feels freaking amazing to know that there are people out there that believe in what I do and think it's good enough to support me that extra step. So a huge thank you to Anarchy, Dale from the Atlas Hub, David D, Dead D Razer, Forgotten Stoner, Heath, Husband Vader, Jeremy J, Joanne's A, J Technique, Kyle Culver, Lukash M, Mac for a Day, Madeline J, Malindog, Mark F, Mark D, Mingery, Neil B, NTB, Ongrad, Autumn Long, Paul Lawson, Rasmus K, Russell H, Shirokuma Jelly, Samwise Gekji, The Golden Gek, The Portrait Dude, Todd C, Todd H, Ty the Blazer, Vanilla, and Varuna. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much.